tangible is used for anything जिसको हम छू कर feel कर सकते हैं. So anything that can be touched is tangible. Ideas are not tangible. You cannot touch them. So something which is tangible is something which can be touched. Something which is intangible is something which cannot be touched. Let's have the usage from the clipping.
The fossil hunt has been a success. Like Darwin, these teenagers have been brought face to face with some tangible remnants of evolution.
These teenagers have been brought face to face with some tangible remnants of evolution. So इन teenagers को evolution के कुछ ऐसे सबूत मिले हैं जिन्हें ये हाथ से feel कर सके. Another word in the clipping was the word remnant. The word remnant refers to a small portion or small part of something that remains after the main part no longer exists. So जो बच जाता है, for that we use the word remnant. These teenagers have been brought face to face with some tangible remnants of evolution. So इन teenagers को evolution के कुछ ऐसे अवशेष मिले हैं, remnants मिले हैं, जिनको ये हाथ से छूकर महसूस कर सके.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.